Good
evening, friends. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our broadcast. This is Nancy. This is Sherry. And today we are going to introduce some of our products. And you know, we are Dong Hai, and we produce many products you can see here. And the heater, we can manufacture the heater and the heating plate. And now we can also supply the thermostat. And we can supply 100 types of products one day. And our capacity is very large. And only the cattle base, and we can supply 30,000 pieces per day. So not only the quality, but also the quantity is very large and good. And today we will going to introduce the rice cooker heater.
Yes, we believe we are quite familiar with the rice cooker, especially like many Asian countries, which the staple food is rice. And today, we will introduce the core part of the rice cooker heater, and you will know more about the product. For the rice cooker plate, we have been cooperating with Suge Rouge from 2012, but before our formal cooperation, we also had a long development course. As you know, they have strict requirements on every detail. Thanks for that, we could do better in many details and improve the quality in short time.
Yes, and many countries as the main food for the rice, I think there are many customers interested in these products. And now we are going to introduce the details for you. So from the table, you can have a close look at our samples. And first of all, for the details, I will begin with the appearance. For the appearance, and this one, and for the rice cooker heater, there will be maybe some customer has the question, and there will be a bubble on it. And you can see there's no bubble on our product. For the bubble, which is the normal phenomenon, how the bubble generates, we take the centrifugal casting way to make the rice cooker heater. And see, the heater is made of the aluminum. During the production, the aluminum is melted into the liquid state, and then it's filled into the mold. With the centrifugal running, the aluminum liquid is filled fully inside the space of the mold. After cooling down, the casting is finished. With the centrifugal casting, there will be more or less air bubble in the aluminum liquid, and it will be showed in the middle or near the center. Sorry, we don't have the sample because our quality is very good. We cannot see the bubble here. Normally, the bubble, it will be shown in the middle and in the center part. And you can check many products. They have the phenomenon of the bubble. And not only the bubble, but also the small peak crack on the surface. And these are the normal phenomenon during the centrifugal casting. But such phenomenon will more or less affect the heat generation. To solve this problem, and we use the high quality aluminum. What's more, we have the advanced machine and the technology to make the centrifugal products. You can see our casting is very nice. Someone may ask why we not use the die casting. like this one. Like this one, is this is the iron heater, and the iron heater is quite flat, and the appearance is more nice than the rice cooker heater. So, for the rice, so you can see this the rice cooker heater. The back is wrapped. And as you know, the die casting working piece will generate the stress when it's working at high temperature. So the die casting working piece is normally used to heat the flat or non-metal material, which has very little stress. For example, for the iron heater, and we will, for the iron heater, we will have the clothes have many little gaps, and that can offset the stress, so the iron heater can work on it. For the rice cooker heater, as the pan on it is the metal material, so we need to consider the stress. So that's one of the reasons we use the centrifugal casting to make it. And now we have two centrifugal casting machines, and our capacity is 3,000 pieces per day, and the quality is very good. Secondly, I'd like to introduce the lines of on the surface. After casting is finished, and then we lace the surface. The lines is very fine. You can see, almost cannot see the lines mark. And the more lacing line is, the more bigger the heating area. So the thermal energy efficiency is higher, and we can lace more than 20 lines within 1 cm. So our lacing technology is quite advanced. I think you can see it is like it's very bright, and cannot see any light marking. Thirdly, regarding to the rice cooker heater, the matching between the heating plate and the pan is very important. You can see there are many rice cooker heater here. The shapes are different. This one, also this one is the deep U shape, and the shade will be made according to the pan on it. Normally, the smaller the space between the heater and the pan, the heat transferring is better. I have experienced one of my customers in Iran. They had a strict demand on matching for the heater and pan, and we made the sample and adjust many times, and finally we meet their requirement, and they are very satisfied, because before they cooperate with us, and they cooperate with many other suppliers, but they cannot meet their requirement on the matching. So they are quite happy, and until now we have cooperated with them for 12 years. The fourth detail is what kind of material of the tube should be used for the rice cooker heater. For the tubes in the rice cooker heater, we use the iron copper plated tube. You can see the copper here. Someone asked why not use the iron or the stainless steel tube. For the let me explain. For the price, the iron tube is cheaper. Then is the iron copper plated, and then is the stainless steel tube. But the iron heater rusted easily, while the iron copper plated has the corrosion resistance. So comparing with the price and the characteristic, we choose the iron copper plated tube. For the fifth is the installation. You can see the back of the rice heater, of the rice cooker heater, the three one. Their screw position and the terminal position is quite different. And also you can see this one is quite different. So no matter what the position or the dimension, just send your detailed drawing to us, and we can make the accurate size for you. And no matter what products, what heater we do for you, and we made many tests for the performance, and such as the cold installation resistance and withstand resistance, and the voltage, all the tests we will do before we deliver out. And finally, if you want to mark something you need on the back, we can make for you. And for this one, we mark our logo DHDH. Okay, the detail is finished. So for our introduction for the rice cooker heater, you may surprise the surface is quite nice and the quality is quite good. Yes, many customers are very satisfied our products. Not only the quality, but also the price is very, very competitive. And I have many experience on it, so I trust our products is very competitive. Hope can hear your inquiry. And also, during our introduction, many customers ask our questions for these products. I will collect the questions and then to reply one by one. After 1 minute, we will see you again.
See you later.
See you later. Welcome back. And let's begin to our questions from our customer during our introduction. And the first question is how you pack the rice cooker heater. Yes, the rice cooker heater is heavy, so some customer pay attention to it. Normally, we will pack each one with the plastic bag, and then with the small carton box, and then with the big carton box. And then if the quantity is big, we will pack in the pallet. So with many layers of the packing, please don't worry about the packing. We will make sure the surface will not scratch or damage. The second question is, do you need a weight for the rice cooker heater if quotation? This is a very professional question because the weight is very important for the aluminum and for the rice cooker heater. When for the quotation, we need not only the drawing, but also need the 3D drawing. We need to calculate the volume and the weight of the aluminum. The third question is, can you send examples for testing? Sorry, for the rice cooker is made by the requirement of our customer. We are OEM. We don't have the standard products for this for it. So if you need, we will send a similar sample to you for checking the quality first. And what's the main market for your rice cooker heater? For the rice cooker heater, we have very large market. In the Japan, we cooperate with Georgia, Russia, and also in the Asia market, also in the Africa, many countries. And next one is, what's the delivery time for 30,000 pieces? I have the experience for making 30,000 pieces for one order, and we have big production capacity, and we can produce the 30,000 pieces within 35 working days normally. And if you need, and we will shorten the time and meet your requirement. So no matter what questions, and please send to us, and we will reply to you one by one. And tomorrow we will go in to many other products, and we will begin at the morning time, 10 a.m. in China time. So please keep following with us. We will give you more introduction of our products. Thank you for your watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.